that sound?
Mama.
Keep opening it. Keep opening it.
Mama.
Yeah. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
I know, it's really taped shut.
Yeah.
Oh, look! Here, slide it out. It's called Bird Songs. Wow. And so then you can plug in, see how each bird, hold on. Well, that's a pretty yellow one. See how the bird has a number? 1, 5, 8. So then you come over here and we find number 1, 5, 8. Hold on, let's see how it works. How do I... Okay, hold on. Do you know who gave this to you? Nana and Grumpy. Can you say thank you to Nana and Grumpy?
Thank you, Nan and Grumpy.
Yeah, we love birds, don't we?
Why do they keep sending me these books?
Because they know that you love birds and they want to help you learn more about them.
Why?
Well, because it's so fun. We can look outside and see the birds that come to our birdhouse, and then we can come in here and look them up and listen to what sound they make. All birds have different sounds. So we can look outside and find the sounds of all the birds that come to our birdhouse.
But there's only brown birds in our...
But sometimes we might get a blue jay or a red bird. So this book will help us if we get some new birds that come.
But where's the two?
Here, let's find it. Okay, hold on. Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, C, H, I, J, K, L, and frogs, and beaks.
And what did her mama and papa tell her?
What?
If you dream it, if you believe it, and if you
what does this say?
If you work
hard for it,
you can be
anything.
anything.